Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to put words on the TikTok at different time. So if you want to add captions or the subtitle in your TikTok video, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok. Once you will open it, you have to upload or the record new video. Once you will do it, on the right bottom you will see text option. Simply click on it. Once you will do it, simply write a text. Once you will do it, after that you have to tap on this text, click on the done and then tap on this text, and here you will see set duration. Click on it and select the time where you want this text will be appear. So click on this tick button. After that, again click on this text and write other text and click on the done. Then again tap on this text and click on the set duration and select the timing. Once you will do it, after that click on this tick button and you can see a text will appear on different time frame. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel.